What's up, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. and today I am in better spirits. I did make a video yesterday about CryptoTAB Farm. Now, this is an application that you can put on your phone that and also on a computer or a laptop. That is a complete waste of time. Do not install this. Don't use it in any capacity whatsoever. There is nothing here for you to pay for at all. First of all, there already is the original, what you see here, the CrytoTAB Browser. So the CrytoTAB Browser, when it's running on your phone, is essentially cloud mining. And what that means is it's just not using, a lot of your resources from your phone. It's using it from the cloud. And so you're basically limited to a certain speed. But when you are using it, oh, and by the way, you have to pay, I want to say it's like almost $2.99 for a CrytoTab Browser on your phone. And this is an app that I like. And this, but I just had to say something about this. But CrytoTab Browser, you have to pay for on your phone, number one. You do not have to pay for it if it is on your computer. It's that simple. And when it's on your computer, it's actually using your CPU and so forth. So mostly it's using your CPU. And that's really deciding the hash rate. You can order, higher. Let me open this up real quick. So right now it says 32 whatever. So 3292 hertz per second, and that's because I have the basic speed, which is 1500, and I have a cloud boost that I paid for through Google Opinion Rewards, so I didn't have to pay a dime for it, which is pretty awesome. So now the biggest deception of, and I get it. They're trying to make extra money with the with the Crypto Farm app. They're trying to get you into this spectrum where it's like you can see all of your computers and mobile devices all running at the same time, and that's pretty much it. There really isn't that much more to it. Like, there's a couple things that I saw that it said that you could change it from your CPU to your video card and whatnot, and it doesn't do anything. It doesn't change the speed whatsoever, and that's why we just stick to CrytoTab Browser by itself. So let's get the hell out of here. So CrytoTab Browser is the OG. So that's the original. Now, do I have it up here? Yeah. Or maybe not. Let's see. Search CrytoTab. Okay. So you see a list of the companies down here. You see crypto. Okay, get off. Crypto Company OU, and not that it isn't a good company. They offer some fantastic programs. That one at the bottom is not part of Crypto Company OU, but their VPN, is decent, but you don't need it. CB.click has nothing to do with mining. It's just making links shorter, and you're supposed to make money from it. CryptoTab Lite, I don't recommend it because you don't get the full benefits and resources of CryptoTab, of the original CryptoTab browser. And CryptoTab Farm is just this like weird, like mimicky application used from thousands, well, maybe not thousands, but a lot of other devices. So actually, you don't need CryptoTab Farm at all. There is actually a program here. I believe it's called blah, 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 blah. Let me see if I can pause this real quick. Maybe not. Let's see. Whatever. So, what is it called? It is called FING. That's what it's called. FING. So, I'll put a link in the description for FING. And now that's totally free. That lets you know that the computer is running, that the computer is not idle, and that it's actually doing something. So FING would be my alternative to Crypto Farm. Crypto Farm, you basically have to pay for every 3 computers or devices that you add to your system. Every 3 computers you add, you have to pay a certain amount. And to be honest with you, I forget the amount, but it was roughly $6, roughly. That I paid through PayPal. I played around in the app a little bit. I saw that it was completely useless because this is all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is get the CrytoTab Browser Pro, which is this one. You get that one, and then just put that app/program on each device or each computer and log in with the same information on every device. And that is all you have to do. That is it. You do not need Crypto Farm to look at every single device that you've installed CrytoTab Browser on. So Crypto Farm, I think, was a little bit premature as far as what it can do, the purpose that it's supposed to serve. It's too early. It's way too early for Crypto Farm. So, like I said, I'm going to reiterate this one last time. All you have to do is get CrytoTab Browser, install it on any device that you can, and use the same username on every device. In that way, you will pick up extra mining speeds, just by having it on more devices. So using it on a laptop or a computer is definitely the way to go, because using it on the phone, you're kind of limited to what you can do. Using it on the iPhone is extremely slow, and then using it on the Android, you have to hit enable mining every 3 hours. So it's like you have to set, like I would literally have to set alarms on my phone to make sure I hit enable mining. And then they try to get you with other things that some are decent, but some are kind of like, you're kind of dragging me in the wrong direction. But don't get too excited about Crypto Farm just yet. Let them do a few updates. Maybe wait at least 4 to 6 months before revisiting Crypto Farm. So, but until that day comes, just pretend like Crypto Farm does not exist and only use CrytoTab and mine your free Bitcoin and get it sent to whatever service that you use, whether that be Coinbase, Crypto.com, etc. I will put all the links in the description for what you need to make this the simplest process in the world. So Crypto Farm is the furthest thing, from that. And that's why you can see in the Play Store out of their company, it has the lowest rating because it's not there yet. It's not completely developed just yet. So, but I'm trying to see if I missed anything. Yeah, just use CrytoTab Browser. Do not use Crypto Farm. Log into the same account on CrytoTab Browser on every single device, no matter what. And then, yeah, from there you just send your free Bitcoin to, to whatever Bitcoin wallet address you are using. And I think that is it. So I might put some links for our new merchandise in here, but I'm going to put links in the description that are going to be solely beneficial for you to make this process extremely simple to mine Bitcoin and also even mine a couple other different cryptocurrencies as well. These are ones that I have tested and work. So these aren't ones that I just went and Googled and was like, oh, okay, this is one I think will work and I'll just put it on YouTube. No. If I put it on YouTube, it works. So that's it, plain and simple. So CrytoTab, consider yourself deleted. Now, I know that didn't uninstall it, but we're just getting rid of it off the screen. So, but, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I always appreciate your time. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned with our live stream so we can keep going forward with the Bitcoin giveaway. So, thank you, love you. See you later. Bye-bye. Let's see which one to end here. Is that